I'm Yvonne Ho. I'm staying in Macau. Today, I'd like to share one important message for you. The message is very important for your future, especially for your son and daughter's future, and how to predict the big things happen. And as you know, human is a part of nature, just like are the insect animals. When the weather having the big change, a big typhoon or a big rain or tornado or volcano or earthquake, the creatures or the animals will having some very strange reaction. As a human, also have some talent for that. Just because we are living in urban city right now, so we are already not used to feel that. I have this talent for so many years. As some children or senior, if the weather getting worse, I will feel pain. Of course, the pain is not systematic, but for my body, if some specific parts represent different things. For example, part of my leg, if pain seriously, this is represent earthquake. For example, last time, I mean the worst case is the China, Manchun. There was one big horrible earthquake. Around 4 days before, I feel the pain crazily. I already noticed may having the big earthquake, and I also sense we're having a lot of people lost their life and getting hurt. But I don't know the exactly location, and around 4 days. For so many years, 90% I can sense the correct earthquake or volcano or typhoon. But this year, I mean 2021, I start to hear the frequency. It will be more correct because feel pain and the sense and the frequency. Especially the impact one is the 13th of January afternoon around Macau time zone 2 o'clock after lunch. I hear the big frequency. I drop it down. I already noticed that something big earthquake may come, but I couldn't sense the big hurt. It means it won't kill a lot of people or not many people getting hurt. So I guess must be happen inside the ocean, because usually the big earthquake happen but not many people die. Must be happened in the ocean. And then 14th of January afternoon 5:30, Tonga having the first explosion, but not too big. 15th of January, same time, 5:30 afternoon, having the big explosion. Then the tsunami come and also go to Japan, American. So I dropped in down and found out when I sense the frequency around 27 hours later it's happened. For the last 2 weeks in Taiwan and Japan, there were a lot of different kind of earthquake. 80% is very light, like a 3.8, 3.2. But I noticed after grade 5, and I match my my sense. It means I hear the frequency. Usually, it's already reached the grade 5, a little bit big, and then seeing 27 hours later it's happened. Especially last time is the Japan 6.2. Before 27 hours I hear the frequency. And then in Yilan of Taiwan, almost 1 week before, I also hear the frequency. Okay, what's the key conclusion? What I want to tell you is I got the message. The message warned me to tell all the people that if human can hear the frequency, how come the dolphin and the whales and the big fish, they will sense more clearly and accurate? So the best way and efficient way or the economic way to predict the big things should be create an international data century, something like that. The scientists of a creature department should cooperate with weather department, something like NASA. For example, if they collect the data from the dolphin or the whales, if having the crazily unusual frequency suddenly, wow, like that, very figure out, because usually the frequencies should be like that when they are talking to each other. Maybe dating is like that, but suddenly it's like that, like a heart beating. And if all the fish, I mean dolphin, whales, or other big fish having the same frequency, and at the same time they swim together as an escape and running away. So you can send the data to the NASA and then to focus their swim area. If they are in escape from the place very close to the volcano area, then can pay attention or do some observation over that zone. And this is the best way to predict, because you know, the water is a very good object to transfer the temperature, volume, frequency. So I wish this is the helpful reference for all over the world. If you want to predict the underwater, the volcano, earthquake, or something big, we have to protect the big fish and then rely to their talent, their sense to analyze the message, and then we can focus that area and then to do some prediction. It can help, and this is a very useful data. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm sorry for I'm not a professional YouTuber. I just want to help other people, because can you imagine after 2024 a lot of big things happen, no matter the earthquake, volcano, extreme weather, blah blah blah. How difficult for our next generation, for your daughter, for your son, how sad and how bad when they facing this kind of issue. Okay, thank you.